Dear trader, if you've been trading Forex for a while and concerned about the profits or the lack thereof you're making, I want to share some amazing insight. Fibo Quantum is not complicated. It's actually much easier to use than you might think. It's so simple that even newbies can start winning big trades in just a few minutes. Fibo Quantum has 3 trading styles that impact the speed of its signals. There are aggressive, medium, and conservative trading styles. You can try all of them and choose the one that best suits your own vision of trading and your preferences. Plus, for the more experienced traders out there, there's also custom trading style that allows users to manually configure signals and gives even more flexibility. Even someone with almost no trading experience can read the simple trading rules given in the user guide and follow the indicator's signals to consistently make good, stable profit. Instead of sitting glued in to catch lucrative price movements like the average traders do, with Fibo Quantum, you will get simple signal alerts every time there is a new trading opportunity. Fibo Quantum will also give you a signal when the buy-sell entry levels are reached so that you can immediately open your trade. The algorithm is developed in such a way that traders can make profits with their eyes closed. The signal alerts are sent via email, pop-up, and mobile push notifications so that you never miss any profitable price movements. Fibo Quantum makes your trading exponentially successful and super convenient. Here is a brief on how you can make profit with Fibo Quantum. All details are given in the user guide. Step 1. Fibo Quantum will draw all levels on the chart: buy, sell, 3 take profits, and stop loss. Step 2. Once the price hits the entry level, you open the trade and set the stop loss. Step 3. Then select any of the 3 take profit levels. Step 4. Price hits the take profit, and you open the next trade once the price reaches a new buy or sell entry level. That's it. Simply repeat and make profit. Do you want to see how Fibo Quantum works in real action? I am sure you do. I have some screenshots for you showing what kind of trades you can be making with it. See how much easier making profit will be for you and the radical changes this indicator can bring to your trading and life. Okay, please pay your full attention now. British pound, Japanese yen, 33, 76, and 80 pips profit. Euro Japanese yen, 2 quick winners, 101 and 73 pips. Here's an impressive series of wins on Euro US dollar, 103, 59, 52, and 107 pips. 4 wins and no losses. And here are some more big trades with much more profit. I like to call them monster trades. British pound, Japanese yen, 275, 144, and 429 pips. Wow! I am always getting super excited when showing Fibo Quantum to my friends or fellow traders. What do you think? Would you like to be able to make this much profit whenever you want? Fibo Quantum can help you achieve that. With Fibo Quantum, you will not need to spend hours upon hours sitting hunched up in front of the screen in order to make a successful trade. We have created Fibo Quantum for you to be able to make accelerated profits. This means that the profit you will be making with Fibo Quantum per hour will be much more than anything you have ever made before. Enjoy your day, and once you hear a signal alert from Fibo Quantum, simply open the trade and come back when it reaches the take profit. You don't need to invest much time. Just read the user guide to understand the trading rules and practice a bit on a demo account. And that's it. You are ready to make real profit. Fibo Quantum is the proven, easy, and reliable set and forget indicator that you've been waiting for. Fibo Quantum is a powerful indicator that helps make consistent profits, has reliable indications on when to enter and exit, is easy to set up and start trading, has 4 trading style options, has 3 different signal alerts. While other indicators keep changing their levels every other minute, Fibo Quantum only displays levels that are confirmed by my own proprietary algorithms and based on Fibonacci calculations and ratios. They do not fluctuate every now and then, giving you the reliability and confidence like never before. With the Fibo Quantum, nature, science, and my expertise are on your side. I'm 100% confident that Fibo Quantum will exceed your expectations. but I want you to be 100% confident about getting your own copy as well. That's why I'm offering you a 100% 30 days, no questions asked money back guarantee. Just click the buy button below, and if you don't experience the increase in profits, if you don't cut down your trading time by at least 50%, if you don't get to the next level of trading, I'll refund every single penny. We wanted to price this tool at a decent rate based on its performance, but then it would not be affordable to Forex traders just starting out or struggling to make ends meet. It would not be fair to them. And because I want everyone to benefit, and not just the suits and the finance conglomerates, we are now offering a crazy super low limited time price of just $147. That's a very tiny investment compared to the success you'll have and the profit you'll make employing the Fibo Quantum indicator. The price will not, however, stay at this level for too long, because honestly, we believe we are undervaluing this tool to a great extent. But I can't help it. I'm too passionate about helping people and making their success affordable. So grab Fibo Quantum while the price is still low. And besides, you have absolutely zero risk when you make the purchase today. With the purchase of this indicator, you'll get your hands on a comprehensive guide that details how to install and effectively use Fibo Quantum in your daily trades. The guide contains essential information that will give you a step-by-step direction on how to make the most out of the Fibo Quantum indicator. You'll find loads of immediately actionable tips and trade examples. With the 30 days money-back guarantee, you can try it out for a whole month. I can assure you that within the first few minutes, you will realize the effectiveness of Fibo Quantum in helping you make the right trading decisions, giving you more freedom than ever before. So stop feeling exhausted. Stop giving up the good fight. Stop with all the nonsense, worry, and desperation. Order Fibo Quantum today and make consistent profit trading for just a few minutes to an hour or two a day. It's up to you. It's due time you start living the life of a professional and successful Forex trader. Click the Order Now button below for a zero-risk decision on your trading future.